front of me is Samsung Galaxy S20 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. First of all, launch settings and scroll to tap on display. Then scroll again, but this time tap on this section called Easy Mode right under Screen Timeout. Now use gray switcher next to Easy Mode to activate it. And go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, Easy Mode was successfully switched on. Now, if you want to make any adjustments, go back to the same section and manage touch and hold delay here. And also enable or disable high contrast keyboard. And even select it from all of those. If you ever want to disable Easy Mode option, just tap on the same no blue switcher next to it and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!